Hello. Hello. And salam satu Malaysia, ladies and gentlemen. As for today, I would like to give some brief introduction about myself first. My name is Yung. I'm from Sabah and I'm one of the students from University Malaysia Terengganu. So, before I start this video, I would like to point out that this video is brought to you by English Language Center from UMT. Recently, I've joined one of their programs known as Food alias Restaurant Review, if I didn't mistaken. So, in this video, I have two options that I have to select. Either I have to buy and eat as many food or drinks I wish to review, or I have to go to restaurants and buy a variety of food. Then I will give a honest review. Whoever make the best video for this food review, the winner could get a whopping
A whopping
1,900 ringgit for the
cash prize.
yes. Damn! So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Whoa. Okay guys, look at this. Woo. It has a symbol on it, Kopi Bandau. So for your information, I bought this drink from one of my friends. I think he sells this Kopi Bandau since starting from PKP, if I didn't mistaken lah. So let's open this. I hate this thing. This tiny thing. Okay, never mind. Forget about it. Let's drink the coffee. It's good. I'm a coffee drinker since I was 12 years old. So, yeah, I like this coffee. So, big shout out to Kopi Bandau from Kota Marudu. Thank you. I support this. I love it. Okay, so let's open this. Ooh, seems so special. Okay guys, by the looks of it, it looks like, well, a bit thick, but I feel a bit full, so I just eat a little bit. So I want taste this cake. Never mind. Oh yeah, look at that, this chocolate. Ooh, this makes me fat. Super good. Wow, I'm surprised by it. It's actually delicious. Oh, and it's made from Kopi Bandau, the drink I have reviewed earlier. Wow, not bad. Wow, okay, save it for later. Later I get a bit fat. You see my fat now? I cannot eat a lot of foods, you know. Oh, okay, let's go to the next round. We have, yes, it's samyang. So let's go cook it for good. Now I have already cooked my samyang, and you know what I feel when I cook the samyang? I feel like my soul slowly descends to hell, okay? This is why. I just want to let you know that I have spicy intolerance. So you know what? The toilet tomorrow is gonna be my best friend and it's gonna be explosion. So let's try. Wish me luck. Oh wow. I can bro. Okay. Enough. For the sake of 1,900 ringgit. Oh, I cannot speak. Here we go. Why I'm doing this challenge, man? I can't take this anymore, guys. It hurts, you know. Oh wow. So I hope you guys like this video. Leave some likes and comments, and please do share this to all of your friends. I'm crying right now.